Hello friends, as you all know, our lockdown may end soon. So the question is, after lockdown, what should be our strategy to fight against coronavirus? And should we rely on herd immunity? So in this video, I will tell you about herd immunity and its efficacy after lockdown. So do watch our full video. First let me tell you what actually it is and how it will work for COVID-19 pandemic. So as you all know, coronavirus is new virus came before few months. Only those people who are exposed and recovered from it have immunity against it because they have antibody against the virus which killed the virus. So the infection will stop only when people will get immunity against the coronavirus. Herd immunity, also known as community or population immunity, is a form of indirect protection from disease that occurs when a large percentage of population has become immune to an infection, whether through previous infection or vaccination, thereby providing a measures to protection for individuals who are not immune. We can understand it with the help of this simple diagram. As you can see, blue ones are those without immunity, red people are infected, and yellow ones have developed immunity against coronavirus. In first scenario, no one is immunized, so if virus comes, it spreads rapidly among the population. In second scenario, only few of them are immunized, let's say 30% population. So the diseased person will affect those who don't have immunity, but the number of immunized individual is not sufficient to break the chain. And in third scenario, most of the people are immunized, almost more than 80%. Here, infected people can't spread the disease much because the chain of infection is stopped, and this population is said to achieve herd immunity. Immunity can be developed by two ways, either by getting infected followed by recovery or by vaccination. Now the question is, does herd immunity help in COVID-19 pandemic? If we go back to history, diseases like smallpox and polio have been eradicated in the past with the help of mass vaccination. It was all because of herd immunity because of repeated vaccination. So the next question comes in mind is when we will build herd immunity against coronavirus. This question has unfortunate answer as experts has already declared that we are very far from developing herd immunity against the coronavirus because we need large amount of population, that is around 80% for herd immunity. One way is to expose youth population against virus so that immunity may be developed among them. But the problem is by the time herd immunity is developed, the disease may cause great mortality. So now what we need is vaccine. Through mass vaccination, we can build herd immunity. So till vaccine is not developed, we have to rely on things like social distancing, restricting travels, lockdowns, etc. Even after this understanding, the question is who is safe? Those who stayed at home or those who will repeatedly infect themselves and get immunity? Let me know your views in the comment section. So friends, this was all about basic knowledge about herd immunity. Let's hope our scientists or researchers are able to develop vaccine against COVID-19 soon. So be safe, stay at home and maintain social distancing. And share this video among your friends. Thank you.